and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on a Mercedes van, and we are going to change the rear brake anchor plate to a new one compared to the old one. It's rusted and it needs a new one. But I'm not only going to show you how to replace it, I'm also going to show you a trick so you don't have to remove the rear wheel bearing and destroy it, and it costs a lot of money, so you have to buy a new one if you pull it out and it gets destroyed. So I'm gonna show you a trick with this one. So the first step is to remove the wheel. Second step is to remove the brake disc. I already took the screws out. Third step is to remove the handbrake brake pads. You can remove them by releasing the two springs on the side, and the one at the top and the one at the bottom. When you remove the brake pads, we can start removing the anchor plates. I'm just going to rip them off because I bought some new springs. There you go, the two brake pads. Now we can start removing the old brake anchor plates. I'm going to use a steel brush and a flat screwdriver to clean the four screws. And then we're also going to need a 30 Torx top T30 to unscrew the bolts. If the screws are just as rusty as they are like on my car, you have to take care you don't destroy the screws, so you have to take them out with a machine. So take care and clean the screws very well. Make sure when you're going to unscrew the screw that it's the whole way inside. You have to feel the bottom of it before you start screwing. Otherwise you're going to break and destroy the screw. There we go. So now we removed the 4 screws, and we can loosen the anchor plates. We are still not going to remove the wheel bearing. I'm going to use a plate chisel, or you can use any other tool to cut the muffle, to take it off. It can be a little bit tricky to remove this part at the handbrake cable, but you just have to twist it a little bit. So here's the old one, and here's the new one compared to the old one. So now we are going to install the new one, but as you can see, you can't get it on because of the wheel bearing. The hole is too small, and normally you would pull the wheel bearing out, install the anchor plate, and put a new wheel bearing into the car, and we're going to avoid that. I'm gonna show the trick now. So the trick is that I'm going to take a machine and cut the plate right here. So I'm gonna cut through it, and I'm gonna twist it and put it onto the wheel bearing. I'm gonna show you how it's done. And remember, when you work with machines, use safety glasses. There we go. Now we can twist it and put it on to the wheel bearing. Make sure to cut it between the 2 screw holes, so you're not going to cut through it and you're going to mess up. After we installed it, we are going to weld the anchor plate at the top, one in the middle, and weld a little bit at the bottom, so it's going to be solid again. So now we're going to install our cut anchor plate. So give it a really great twist, like this, and put it on. It can be a little bit tricky, and you need to put some force into it. There you go. Make sure it sits correctly at the handbrake cable, at the bottom, at this hole. You probably need a screwdriver to get it in place. There we go. Now we just have to screw it in place and weld it, and you can start putting things together again. Now we just have to weld the cut we made. Make sure that you align the anchor plate's 2 ends by pulling in the 2 ends, so you get it straight, and then you can weld it. just have to make 3 dot weldings. So that's how you install a rear brake anchor plates without removing the wheel bearings. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and if you found this guide useful, you're welcome to give me a like as well.